Hello, divine souls, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to see a reading regarding messages from your Ishtadev or from the God. How does God views you, and what is the guidance messages he has for you? Okay, so accordingly, there are two piles. One is with the pink color, other is the yellow color. You can either select one pile or watch the entire reading, and I'll meet you at your reading. Okay, thank you. All right, pile number one, welcome back to your reading. So if you've chosen the pink color, so these are your cards which says the Hierophant, the King of Cups, the Lovers, the Devil, Two of Swords. From the angel guidance, you have got take action, ask your angels, unlikely. And from the divine guidance, you have got the Sun card, the Star card, I'm sorry. Okay, so the very first card, which says the Hierophant, okay, and as we have the topic today as how does God views you, okay, he sees you as a very spiritual person, okay, you possess the qualities of a guru, you like to follow rules and regulation, you can be a teacher in your profession, okay, or if you're working in a private sector you could be at a high position. You are an authoritative person, you like to be very much organized, and if you're into a relationship you are a committed person, okay. Yeah, so if the guidance that God wants to give you from this card is you resist change, okay. You need to be more flexible and think out of the box, okay, for your business and career, okay. See more solutions to your career in the world of spirituality. In case of love, there can be a partner who teaches you great spiritual wisdom. You need to stay true and real to them. Follow the path of wisdom and meditation. Okay. Remedy for this card would be you need to offer orange clothes to any priest in the temple. Okay. Visit the temple nearby. I see you are a very religious person also. Okay. The very next card you have got the King of Cups. Okay, so what does this card depict is he's sitting on a throne and he's enjoying the luxuries of life. Okay, he's very stable. Might be he has just now started some new business or new into a new relationship. There is a lot of growth and cleansing I can see around him. Okay, so he's very spiritual. You can be a very good friend. But what is the guidance that God wants to give you is you need to embrace your creativity. You need to be more disciplined with your creativity and honor your heart and spirit. Tap into your creativity and spirit, okay? In your career, okay? If you want to be happy and you want growth in your career, you need to be artistic, you need to be spiritual, creative, and understanding. This will bring out the best out of you, okay. And thing you need to work on is you might be like you would have some wounds that can run deep. You find it difficult to forgive people, you hold on to your past a lot. So what you need to do in order to come out of your past and to heal your wounds is channelize your creativity to come out of the darker side. Okay, so how you can do that is listen instead of trying to dominate. Find the value in creative, spiritual, and in the community. Develop develop more empathetic nature. Okay. Yeah. So this is what this card depicts. Next you have got the lovers card. So lovers card, we can see you have got the lovers and the devil card also. So in the one card, it's like, very positive. It is all yellow. They are not chained, and there's a guardian angel who is supporting. The other card, it's all black, and instead of the angel, there's the devil, and both of them are chained. Okay, so what I can see from this card is there is some bound or because of which you cannot move ahead, a lot of negativity. Fruits are there but will not be able to grow. Need to remove all negativity. There's a lot of temptation, addiction that can be of food or spending money or negative thoughts. Okay, some unsolved emotion, unforgiveness, feeling powerless, pressure from someone, unavoidable expenses also I can depict. Okay, that is from the devil card. Okay, from, sorry, from the devil card, from this card. Okay, so from business point of view or career point of view, there is like someone is blocking you from moving ahead. It can be an old addiction, worry, or a partner that is, hindering you from your growth. Sometimes it is helpful to know about these blockages. You work on your blockages before you start anything new. In relationship wise, power play is in progress. Excessive lust is there, which is damaging. There is a control and abuse kind of attitude I can see. There's some karmic attachments that could be harming you. Now, as a remedy, what you need to do is you need to avoid color black. You need to pray to Lord Vishnu, and you need to donate to people on every Saturdays. Okay, this will help you a lot. All right, so the next card is the Lovers card. From the Lovers card, what we can see is you're going to make a new choice in your career, um, and love relationship wise, love will be soon entering your life. Deep possibility of spiritual union. Positive decisions will benefit you both. So this there can be a soulmate entering into your life. Okay, there is a partnership. So this can be your relationship wise or into a new business. You might start a business with a new partnership there, so that business is going to have a very good growth. Communication would be very important into this relationship. If you are going into a relationship, the partner would be very supportive, and that partner would be trustful. Right time to take things ahead, one foot at a time. So this relationship is being protected by the angels. This relationship might be stable. Okay, there would be a transformation into your relationship. That is what the card depicts. Okay, the next we have two of swords. Okay, so what do we see from this card is there's a bench which says that you need to study the details. The person is blindfold, which says its inability to see things clearly. Then there's a moon cycle. Okay, there are waves in this can be a sea or a river. So this says unsettled time. Okay, so what does this card depict is you are into a very indecisive mode right now. No contact situation. If you are into a relationship, there is a sad atmosphere. There's a lot of emotional trauma right now. You are ignoring your emotions, you're denying the truth. The balance is missing. There's a stressful decision making time. It's a time to cut off from a particular relationship which is not working for you. Okay, so that's the guidance for you that we have got from Two of Swords. Retreat from your life to get some new insights. Okay, once you make the decision, you will feel relieved. Trust and go with what you don't fear. Okay, this is for your career, and for your relationship is a good time to withdraw temporarily. Look at what you are fearing or the past, get clarity. Okay, so these are your the guidance from God for you. Okay, this is how He views you. These are the issues, and I have given pretty much remedies also for you. Okay, most probably, pile one, what I can see is there's some relationship which out of which you need to come out. Okay, there's some blockages you need to work on, some emotional instability. So you need to spend time alone, in meditation, or you can visit any temple, nearby temple, or a religious place, so that you'll get direction and clarity. Okay, what does the angel card tells you? To take action. Ask your angels. You can pray, meditate, and ask the angels for help and you can take the correct actions. Unlikely, so right now, whatever situation you are, it's unlikely that if you do not follow the remedies or solution, you won't be able to get the direction. Okay, and the star card, which is the Brahma card. So what does it say is hope, renewal, creativity, inspiration, generosity, and healing. So there's a lot of healing coming in for you. It's all positive yellow color card. So you need to if you believe in healing, you can go for some online healing sessions for your mental clarity, so that it will help you to come out of the situation as soon as possible. Okay, all right, pile one, this was your reading. I hope this brought some clarity to you. Thank you and have a great day. All right, pile two, welcome to your setup. So these are your cards. Okay, you have got the death card, the strength card, Knight of Swords, Six of Swords, the Emperor. From the angel guidance, you have got choose a new direction in the near future, romance, and from the divine guidance, you have got the world card. All right, let's begin. So the very first card, the death card, okay. What I can see into this card is there is sun which says life and rebirth. There is spider which says resilience. There is roses which depicts balance. Crown is authority. Horse is strength and pillar is stability. Okay. So What does this card depicts is it's time to move on. There is going to be a transformation and regeneration very soon into your life, okay? Getting rid of what is no longer useful. Perfect interpretation of how you can respond. Think of it as a deep transformation. You are letting go of what no longer works in your life. Don't resist the change. Leave all the bad habits, avoid all bad people. Ending of old and beginning of new. No renewal situation. Need to move ahead. Okay. So this card, as per your career, what does it suggest is time to, you might be in a job change, or right now you would have been put down your papers and you're looking for a new job. So it's time to let go of this job or career. Something needs to change. Don't resist the change, just go with it. Okay. For your love relationship, end of a relationship, or let go of the old you in this relationship to allow something better. New growth will come if you have the courage to embrace the change and uncertainty. And old perspective or a pattern needs to be changed. So, a remedy for this card, what I can give is you can feed some grains to horse, okay? So, this will help you to gain some clarity regarding this card, okay? The next card that you guys have got is the strength card, okay? What does we see into this card? See, it's such a positive card. There's a lot of yellow color. There is new beginning, there's courage, there's strength, there's stability and balance, okay? So this is a card of survival, a very spiritual card. Might be you're going to grow very high into high vibrations, and you're going to become highly intellect. You are a very strong and hardworking person. You like to take risk. You have a lot of patience. You can make bold career moves. Always helpful. You're always helpful and evolving to be a brave person. You've got a lot of inner strength and courage, okay? So, very nice card you have got, the strength card. So, as per your career perspective, balance your love life and generosity with wisdom and courage, okay? You have the strength to get through this. You need to call in that lion energy, okay? So, you have that potential to tame a lion. All right, for your relationship wise, your relationship is going to move into the next level. You will need the strength to take back your loving powers, okay? In case needed this. So remedy for this card would be feed a brown dog, okay? This will help you for your relationship issues. Okay, the very next card you have got is the Knight of Swords. So, what does this card depict? Is the knight is all set to take action. He is in the action mode. Okay, he's ready, he's rushing and knocking things out. As a person, you are very dynamic with high energy, full of ideas. You can be easily bored in a situation. You always like to take the charge of the situation. You have multiple ideas, but you need to be grounded, okay? And if you become a bit disciplined, this will help you. So, what remedies you need to follow for this Knight of Swords is you need to stay away from debates and argument. You do not need to use hurtful words in an argument. You can be a bully sometime, okay? So be mindful about it. Speaking without thinking or revengeful words you might use. So you need to be mindful of this. In love relationship is like you might not be ready to commit. Don't invest too much in your heart if this is not you, if it can be your love interest. So do not invest too much with the Knight of Swords energy, okay? Because this cannot be a long time relationship. In a situation, if there is a situation right now, you could be rushing out around too much. You need to be grounded and committed, okay, for you to get stability. So the very next card you have got the Six of Swords. What does this card depict is there is an arc I can see, okay? So it says new beginning. The boat is moving ahead. So you are moving from past events. There are some chains which says restrictions. The sea is unsettled. There are trees, so there is growth, okay? So, what does this card wants to tell you is moving from troubled water to smooth water. You might go on a vacation with your family very soon. Okay, moving from one relationship to another or from one job to other job. If you are into a trading business, this is very positive card for you. If you have an overseas business, then there's some good news coming in for you. There would be some transition in your life, okay, very soon. You are a very family oriented and a travel lover person, okay. Now you have become calm and you are not, now see how your energy is shifting from Knight of Swords, it has come to Six of Swords. So what does it say is now you're not ready to fight anymore, making peace with the existing situation. So you are growing in the true sense with this card, okay. So the very next card you got is the Emperor card. Okay, you can see this Emperor is sitting on his throne. Okay, he's a very hardworking person. Also, he's very stable. He is an authoritative and powerful person. He has spiritual powers. He has recently achieved something in his life. You are now going to become a very experienced and knowledgeable person. You like to make rules and protocols, okay? This can be you, or you may come in contact with a person with these qualities, okay, who is very disciplined and father figure, not too much expressive, not too much emotional, old school type. He doesn't have too many friends, believes in commitment and stability. This is either you or a person you are going to encounter very soon. Okay, from the business perspective, what does this card tells you? Like, you need to be more disciplined. Don't allow anyone to take your power. Find your inner strength can mean a strong figure around you. So you might have some person with these qualities in your office or in your business, okay? As per your relationship is concerned, you can be headstrong but committed, partner, and strict and controlling. So you are a family man, will believe in commitment. Okay, so remedy what I would like to give you for this card would be offer yellow food to a place of worship. Okay, also you can donate yellow food to poor people or to children. This will help you to get that authoritative position in your life. Okay, the very next cards you got, the angel guidance is choose a new direction in the near future and romance. Okay, this is so much in sync with the tarot cards that you have got. So choose a direction which says, yeah, you are that, which has come below the, just below the death card. So which says there is going to be a new beginning, right? You need to choose a very direction with your wise wisdom. Okay, in the near future, yes. It says you will definitely grow and have that stability in your life in the near future. Very soon, you would be into a new relationship, or if you are already into a new relationship, the perspective or the grounds of the relationship is going to change, and it is going to be a lot more positive and in your favor. You are going to enjoy your time with your love interest. Okay, and the divine guidance that you have got is the world card, which sees fulfillment, harmony, completion, integration, travel, and unity. See, Six of Swords also denotes travel. Knight of Swords also is denotes like he is in action mode and is moving ahead, right? So there is travel definitely for you in the near future. Also there's a completion of one cycle, so which that card also denotes. Okay, and a big completion of one cycle and beginning of a new, complete new cycle for you. Okay, and there's a fulfillment of your wishes. Okay, all right, pile 2. So this is your reading. I hope this would have brought some clarity to you. Thank you and have a great day.